Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 152,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include premium package, safety package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power sunroof. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.